Imagine a place where India's bravest are forged. Not in battle, but before it. Deep inside Madhya Pradesh lies Tekanpur, home to one of India's most advanced security training institutions, BSF Academy and RJIT. Tekanpur isn't just a town. It's where grit meets intellect. It's where tomorrow's border heroes are carved. Whether you dream of defending the border or building the next tech marvel, Tekanpur is a place where future is made. Here's how it transforms civilians into elite protectors of our nation. Hello and welcome viewers, you're watching National Security with your host Kriti Mishra. In the previous episodes of National Security, we have shown you how exactly the BSF has produced top-class officers, soldiers and warriors. But in this episode, we'll show you how the BSF is producing top-class engineers and technocrats to contribute to the larger goal of national development. This will be a mesmerizing episode. Come along. Rustomjee Institute of Technology, or RJIT, is an institute run by the Border Security Force. The institute offers 6 undergraduate and 4 postgraduate courses. Many of the students studying here are children of soldiers who have sacrificed their lives while defending the nation at the borders. Others are children whose fathers are always away serving the country. The vigilant BSF personnel stationed under challenging conditions along India's harsh borders are always ready to safeguard the nation. Be it in the scorching heat of Kutch or the icy chill of Kashmir, these soldiers stand firm with full dedication to foil every evil attempt of the enemy. However, due to the nature of their duties, arranging quality higher education for their children becomes extremely difficult. To address this, the Rustomjee Institute of Technology was established within the BSF Academy in Tekanpur with the aim of providing quality technical education to the children of these brave soldiers. Founded in 1999, this institute has helped thousands of students realize their dreams over the past 25 years. It is the only institute in India run by a central paramilitary force, that is, the BSF, with the sole purpose of offering higher technical education to the children of security personnel, including those who have laid down their lives for the country.
BSF एकेडमी के अंदर एक रुस्तमजी इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी है, जो एक इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज है जिसमें इंजीनियरिंग की हर तरह की पढ़ाई होती है और ये एक वेलफेयर मेजर के तौर पे तैयार किया गया था, जिसमें हमारे शहीदों के बच्चे, हमारे सोल्जर्स के बच्चे एडमिशन लेते हैं। उसके साथ साथ हमारा एक पॉलिटेक्निकल कॉलेज भी है, उसमें भी हमारे सोल्जर्स के बच्चे एडमिशन लेते हैं। और वेलफेयर मेजर के साथ साथ ये हमारी नेशनल सिक्योरिटी में भी बहुत बड़ी मदद करता है, इसकी एक अहम भूमिका रहती है। जितनी भी हमारी समस्याएं हमें बॉर्डर पे हैं, जितनी भी हमारी टेक्नोलॉजी की समस्याएं हैं, हमारी टेक्नोलॉजी के चैलेंजेस हैं, हमारी फील्ड में जितने भी फोर्सेज हैं, जितने भी फ्रंटियर हैं, जिनको जो समस्याएं आती हैं उनको हम कलेक्ट करते हैं और हम RJIT के स्टूडेंट्स को देते हैं कि इन समस्याओं का समाधान ढूंढो। और वो इंजीनियरिंग के स्टूडेंट अपने प्रोजेक्ट बनाते हैं उन समस्याओं के ऊपर और उसका सोल्यूशन निकालते हैं। तो उसमें वो ऑन प्रैक्टिकल प्रोजेक्ट पे काम कर सकते हैं और उनको प्रैक्टिकल प्रोजेक्ट पे काम करने का अनुभव मिलता है, जो मुझे लगता है कि देश में किसी भी इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज के पास ये फैसिलिटी नहीं है।
Notably, RJIT student Kapil Arora registered his name in the Golden Book of World Records by typing the Roman alphabet in just 1.967 seconds, bringing immense pride to the institution. Another student created a pencil from a newspaper. Students from RJIT have built robots, solar-powered vehicles, and have won several awards. They continue to progress steadily in their overall development.
हम NITs और IITs में जो टेक फेस्ट होते हैं उसके कॉम्पिटिशन्स में पार्टिसिपेट करके बहुत सारे अवार्ड्स उसमें हम लेते हैं. उसके अलावा सेन्वेस्टो यूनिट जो है BSF की, उसका हमने एक स्मार्ट मल्टी बैरल लॉन्चर जो एक प्रोजेक्ट है उसका एडवांसमेंट हमने पूरा कंप्लीट किया है और उसका प्रोडक्ट तैयार किया है. इसके अलावा हम BSF के द्वारा जो कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स दिए जाते हैं उसे भी हम कंप्लीट करते हैं AI, ML और इन सब चीज़ों का यूज़ करके.
I am very excited to share that I have been placed in the Trident Group at a reputable package of 12 LPA. Apart from this, I am very sincerely thankful to the TNP department for providing us with multiple opportunities to gain experiences through the interviews in top IT companies such as TCS, Infosys, HCL Tech, Siemens and many more.
It's my privilege and honor to join this kind of institution. This institution gives me so many things. First of all, steadiness, smartness and coordination.
I am proud to be a part of this RGIT family. That RGIT is like one of the only paramilitary colleges established in India. So basically talking about our college, like our college is not like a place that spoon feeds us. Instead it challenges